I'm Allison Tandria of DIY Salvation, YouTube's home to the resolution of the mind, also known as TROM. Nearly every aspect of this subject has to do with postulates in one way or another. Unfortunately, this word, postulate, as used in the subject of TROM is still misunderstood by some of you, and we've recently discovered that misunderstanding to be wider and deeper than we ever imagined. So I am going to straighten it out for everyone concerned, once and for all. A postulate is what you intend. When you word your postulate, it's a statement of your intention. When you postulate something, you intend it. It's your goal. It's your purpose. It's a terribly simple concept expressed in a $5 word. Dennis Stevens could have just as easily used the word intention, but he chose the word postulate instead. Some examples of postulates are: I'm getting a new car. I'm going to win the heart of that woman. I must have that promotion. No one must ever find out what I did. I'm going to forget that happened. The following are not postulates. The car is red. It's 70 degrees outside. I woke up early this morning. The four basic postulates of this universe are: to know, to not know, to be known, and to not be known. Understand that these are not the only postulates one could make, but every postulate contains at least one element of the four basic ones. I am going to know that car. I am going to know her, and she's going to know me. I must be known as the new manager. What I've done must not be known. I'm going to not know that event. I trust this matter is settled, and now that it is, I wish you the best in your progress.